y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alexis Hair, and I am here today to show you guys how I basically slick up my hair with one product. No gel, no gel cast, no crunchy hair, none of that extra stuff. And then also, as a bonus, people were asking me on Snapchat to please do a video on my bandana bun, which is like my current favorite protective style, whether my hair is in a bun up, down, to the side, lopside, or whatever it may be. So I'm going to show you guys how to do both of these. So if you guys are interested in this video, make sure you stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so jumping right into the video. Your girl is looking crazy. So I'm going to just say it right now. Excuse the way I sound. I have in my retainers. But so jumping right into the video. My hair is previously moisturized. I've been wearing my hair probably in a slick back for the past 3-4 days. So my hair is just pretty much stretched. And like I said, it's just simply moisturized with a leave-in conditioner. So basically I start by deciding exactly how I want my slick back to look like that day. To start off, I just spray my hair with water around the perimeter. And for this method, I feel like it works best when your hair is properly moisturized and also like not dirty and having a lot of buildup. Because you know, when your hair got a lot of stuff in there, the only thing that's going to slick it back is some Eco. The product that I use to slick back my hair is this Pantene Pro V in the shower conditioner foam, or foam conditioner. And I actually got this foam from couponing, and I bought like 6 of them. I never used them, and one day I was like, you know, my hair slicks really well, you know, like when I have a deep conditioner in my hair or just a conditioner period and I don't feel like doing my hair that day, I can easily slick up my hair. So I was like, why not try it? So basically it's a foam conditioner. I usually shake it up and get some of the foam, okay? And literally, I love this foam, number one, because it doesn't leave like a gel cast on my hair, and that's like my biggest pet peeve when it comes to just slicking my hair up, period. And then also the foam is so lightweight to where the next day I can easily change the direction, the part, whatever I want to do for the ponytail. It doesn't have to be the same one because like I said, my hair won't be stuck. So make sure that your hair is already somewhat detangled. My hair was previously detangled, and like I said, I've been doing the slick back for a couple of days now, so I don't have to do any extra stuff. But once you get your water on there, put your foam, you just start to slick the hair back. And sometimes you might have to go back in with some foam, especially like in the crown area, because your hair want to like puff up and stuff. But literally, this is the only product I've been using to sleek my hair. Let me zoom in for you guys. Like, my hair is super slick. But my hair texture has changed a lot. It's a lot more tighter. And honestly, if your hair is detangled already, I say it'll make it so much more easier, because you don't have to try and like brush through your coils. Like, I'm not brushing through any curls because my hair was previously detangled while it was wet, and I just left my leave-in in there. So the thing about this conditioner is that you can easily rinse it out, because like I said, it's a conditioner. So it can be rinsed out when you're ready to refresh and actually decide to do your hair. But like I said, if y'all feel this is not for you, okay. But I also say don't knock it till you try it, because I just had a light bulb go off and I was like, oh, let me try this. And I was like, it's probably not gonna work. My hair is not finna slick for nothing. And baby, that thing is slick, okay? And it stays all day. I don't put anything extra on my hair. And I'm just gonna create a bun. A nice little bun back there. And this is literally the only product that I've been using to slick my hair lately. I'm going to fix my edges and fix my little curlies, and I'll come back when it's time to get to the bandana bun. Alright guys, so I am back. I'm waiting for my little curlies to dry, and to do those I just used some more foam. And then also for my sideburns, I put the Style Factor edge control in there first, and then I twirled it with the foam. For the people who are very curious about my bandana buns, you're going to need a bandana. You're going to tie your bandana into a triangle. You're going to stick your bandana over your ponytail, and you're going to get your two ends like you're about to tie. Get them together, okay? Stick it inside before you tie. I don't know if my camera's focused. Let's hope it is. Stick it in, tighten it, and it's going to cover your entire bun. Now once it covers your entire bun, you're going to tie it again, and then I usually use a scrunchie to secure it. And yeah, that's basically it for the bandana bun. And I feel like I should show you guys the other method. So this is the first method. You could do whatever you want in the front or any type of styles you want to do, but as I said, my hair stays slick all day long. I don't have to put anything else on it, and when it's time to go to bed, my hair still be slick, and I'll just loosen the ponytail, and in the morning I'll decide the next style that I want to do with the bandana. I wanted to show you guys the low bun first, but then I'm gonna show you guys the actual bun that people were asking me about. So alright, so I'm gonna take this one down because this is not how I actually want to wear my hair today. I just wanted to show you guys that you could do it up and down. So I'm gonna use the same bandana to do my next bun, and this next bun is just simply a top knot bun. And like I said, I've been using this foam to slick my hair every in which way. So yeah, I'm not sure that I'll even need any more foam, but I'm just gonna spray my hair in the front, and I'm gonna gather my hair at the top of my head. And just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna get a little bit more foam, like so. Okay. Gather it up to the top. And secure your pony. Now, when you first do it with the brush, you might get like a couple flyaways after you actually get your hair in the ponytail, but you can always go back in and just add a little bit more foam and brush it down. Just right at the top of my head. And these are the metal free scrunchies. They're just fabric. If I'm not mistaken, I think I have some linked in my Amazon store. Create your bun and wrap the bandana same way, but I like to do it towards the front so I can see what I'm doing. So you bring the point down and tie, and make sure all the hair is in there. Okay, secure it again, and then I kind of like to pull it a little bit. And I'm going to use my scrunchie to make sure those ends don't come up. And that is it. Alright guys, so I am back, and this is pretty much the finished look. This is the bandana bun. It's literally a bandana but a bun. And this is just like my everyday protective style when I don't feel like doing my hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.